Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, smart sensorization of combustion air fans inaugurated by CEO RSP at Plate Mill Department. And it's a great feeling to visit Rourkela Steel Plant, which has a heritage of being the first PSU steel plant of the country, says Mr. Somnath Hansda, CBO, Nalco.
In-house developed trunnions by Mechanical Shop of Sale, RSP, brings about substantial savings for the company. And Ispat Navdhara, a new initiative of Sale, RSP augments the professional ambience. Make RSP a brand name, exalts CEO while interacting with employees in different units of Sale, RSP. And Mahila Shauchalaya inaugurated at Sector 2 bus stand, Rourkela.
Now the news in detail. The Plate Mill Collective of Sale, Rourkela Steel Plant, RSP, has taken a novel step in the field of adopting a new system in line with Industry 4.0 by installing the smart sensorization of combustion air fans of the new walking beam furnace. In a function organized at Plate Mill on 26 July, Mr. Deepak Chhatwal, CEO RSP, inaugurated the new system. Present on the occasion were Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Operations, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge, MMN Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM FNA, Chief General Managers and other officers and employees of the department. Notably, the vibrations and temperature of combustion air fans of new walking beam furnace of Plate Mill were measured manually to ensure the proper health of CA fan system. This conventional method of measurement requires manual labor and prone to scheduled preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance. However, with the thrust on increasing volume of production and yield, there was a need for predictive maintenance. With the above backdrop, the matter was deliberated at length by Ms. Atashi Parmanik, CGM in charge, AI and IT, Mr. S. Pal Chaudhary, CGM, INA, Mr. D. Sarkar, GM in charge, Plate Mill, and the project of smart sensorization was conceptualized. With a view to adopt an Industry 4.0 model, 8 IoT-based sensors have been installed in motors and fans of CA fans 1 and 2. With the help of these sensors, real-time monitoring of various data such as triaxial vibration, noise and temperature, angular and parallel misalignment, etc. of motors and fans has been achieved. Besides, the sensor also indicates operational status of the equipment. One of the important features of this monitoring system is that the data collected by sensors can be saved in Internet Cloud platform. By using this data, the user can view trend history, equipment history, maintenance index, instantaneous parameters, reports and vibration spectrum data in a simple timeline, which can be utilized by maintenance group for predictive maintenance. This new system installation would definitely help in increasing productivity, minimizing breakdown as well as maintenance cost, and also in preventing unplanned downtime. It is noteworthy that the sensors and the application software used for this monitoring system have been developed indigenously. It's a great feeling to visit Rourkela Steel Plant, which has a heritage of being the first PSU steel plant of the country, said Mr. Somnath Hansda, CVO, Nalco, while interacting with the collective of Vigilance Department of Sale, Rourkela Steel Plant on 28 July 2021. Mr. Manas Kumar Gupta, ACBO and GM in charge Vigilance RSP, Mr. Arun Kumar Das, GM Vigilance Nalco, and Mr. Chandan Bidhar, Senior Manager Vigilance, NALCO, were also present on the occasion. During the interaction, Mr. Hansda said NALCO and Rourkela Steel Plant are two big public sector entities in the state of Odisha. SAIL being the larger and older PSU than us. After discussing with the CVO of SAIL, I took the initiative to visit RSP along with my team. Our objective is to study and understand the vigilance functions and modules as well as working of different departments like materials management, human resources, CSR, etc. in RSP. Besides, I have always been very keen to watch and learn the steel making process. This exchange of knowledge and ideas will further enrich the vigilance functioning of both the PSUs. It is worth mentioning here that the Chief Vigilance Commissioner of India has also advised the CVOs of PSUs of different sectors to learn each other's functions and establish a system of mutual knowledge sharing. Mr. Hansda, along with his team, met Mr. Deepak Chatra, CEO RSP, and other senior officers of RSP on 27 July 2021. They also visited various units and facilities of RSP.
The Enthusiastic and Industrious Shops Collective of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has successfully helped out different departments of the plant by repairing or developing critical equipments swiftly and expertly in least possible time. These initiatives have led to enhanced equipment availability and substantial savings for the company. Recently, the collective successfully developed 2 trunnions and fixed them in 150-ton ladle of Steel Melting Shop 2. The other maintenance jobs were also completed simultaneously. In a function organized at Mechanical Shop on 24 July, Mr. Deepak Chetraj, CEO RSP, handed over the ladle to SMS2 and flagged off the trailer loaded with ladle. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Operation, Mr. Saibal Charabarti, CGM In Charge Maintenance, Mr. A.V. Rajshekhar, CGM Maintenance, Mr. M.K. Mohanty, CGM Electrical, Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, and other senior officers of centralized maintenance of electrical and mechanical sections were present at the flagging off ceremony. It may be noted that 150-ton ladle is a key input for smooth manufacturing of steel in SMS2. There are 6 such ladles available in SMS2 to meet the requirement. The 500 mm long trunnion has a diameter of 450 mm and is fitted in ladle through which ladle is being handled through crane. It is worth mentioning here that the lifting trunnion of 3 150-ton hot metal ladle was damaged and needed replacement. SMS2 was facing difficulties due to shortage of ladle. The mechanical shop department took up the challenge to recondition the hot metal ladle. The job was analyzed in detail and a roadmap was prepared. The 2 damaged trunnions of 450 mm diameter were scooped out from the damaged ladle using Skoda machine of mechanical shop. Accordingly, 2 trunnions were developed and proof machined material supplied by SMS2. The volume of the ladle was too huge and the department had no facility to fix trunnion through heat expansion. Hence, the collective decided to adopt cryo shrinkage process for the fixing the trunnions. A liquid nitrogen tank was made using in-house resources to hold the liquid nitrogen. With close monitoring of the cryo shrinkage process, the trunnions were successfully fitted. Notably, procuring a new ladle would have cost the plant Rs 80 lakhs, while the reconditioning of the ladle through external agency would have cost around Rs 10 lakhs. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been making consistent efforts to ensure a healthy and conducive atmosphere at the workplace of the employees. In order to provide a better work ambience in the plant premises, the welfare department of the plant has taken up numerous employee-friendly initiatives. The Ispat Navadhara, a new creation facility of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, was inaugurated by Mr. Deepak Chetraj, CEO RSP, on 26 July 2021. Present on the occasion were Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Operation, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED P&A, Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM in charge F&A, and other senior executives of the plant. Functionaries of trade unions and executive association were also present during the program. Notably, the premises has been given a facelift and furnished with employee-friendly facilities. The main idea behind developing this center is to improve the working lives of the employees, who spend considerable time of the day at the workplace. The center located at a prime location inside the plant. The facility includes one 1800 square feet AC dining cum conference hall, one 1000 square feet AC hall for conducting seminars, presentations, functions and departmental programs, and one VIP lounge for high profile delegates, customers, etc. All the rooms are fully well furnished so as to have modern and professional look. It is noteworthy that the Ispat Navdhara premises are a part of the initiatives taken up by the RSP to augment the professional ambience and the corporate image of the organization. Make RSP a brand at par with other giant steel industries, said Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO, while interacting with the cross-section of employees, SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant at different units on 23rd and 24th July 2021. During the 2 days, CEO interacted with members of RDCIS, CET, Branch Sales Office, Sector 2, SRM, CSR, Ispat General Hospital, Internal Audit, Materials Management and Marketing Department, Law, Contract Labour Cell, Personnel Department, Public Relations, Finance and Automation, Computer and Information Technology Department. The meetings were held at different locations such as CEO Conference Hall, BSO, Sector 2, SRM Office, CSR Conference Hall, IGH, Personnel Conference Hall, MM Conference Hall and C&IT Conference Hall. Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED P&A, Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM in charge F&A, Dr. B.K. Hota, CMO in charge M&HS, led the teams in their respective areas. While addressing the employees, the CEO emphasized upon the need of a proactive and sustainable approach, efficient planning, employee engagement, thinking beyond horizon, risk-taking and proper communication to achieve the desired result by citing live examples from the plant. The CEO also stressed upon the need of a corporate look of an organization to keep pace with the changing times in modern corporate world when RSP has already catapulted into a different orbit. With the addition of mines, the concept of integrated steel plant has become complete, the CEO further added. Mr. Chatraj thanked and praised all their units, including sister units and mines, for their contribution in making RSP one of the best performing plants of the country. Mr. Kundu highlighted the various milestones achieved by RSP in terms of production, safety management, labor productivity, environment management and PBT. Mr. A.K. Pradhan said that the exemplary vision of the leadership led to 360-degree growth of the plant. Mr. P.K. Satpathy highlighted the importance of celebrating each achievement needed for employee motivation. Other senior officials and employees also shared their experiences and assured the CEO of their commitment and contributions in making RSP a brand name in days to come. The Mahila Shauchalay ladies toilet constructed by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant at Sector 2 bus stand was inaugurated by Mrs. Raka Chatraj, President Deepika Mahila Sangati on 23rd July 2021. Present on the occasion were Mrs. Kiran Sinha, Mrs. Hiranmayi Satpathy, both Vice Presidents of DMS, Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM, TA and CSR, Mrs. Namita Mohapatra, Secretary DMS, senior officials and staff of RSP and members of the governing body of DMS. As a part of continuing plantation drive of RSP, the dignitaries also planted Karanj saplings to mark the occasion. The toilet complex comprises 2 Indian toilets with PVC cistern and a ladies' urinal with attached bathing facility having provision of a shower. The special feature of the ladies' toilet is the western toilet with attached bathroom, specially meant for physically challenged and aged persons. Besides, the facility is also equipped with wash basins with glass shelf and mirrors. Safety of the building is ensured with the fixation of iron grills, doors at the entry passage of the building. LED lights are installed for lighting facility. The facility will be managed on a use and pay basis. The facility constructed by Town Engineering Department of RSP is yet another addition in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan endeavour of RSP as envisaged by Honourable Prime Minister of India. With this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.